Hi, my name is Muhammad Shafi. I have 9 years of experience in structural engineering and 5 years in programming. I am here to showcase some of my programming applications. The program I am going to show you now is called the Wind and Seismic Drift Checker. This tool helps civil engineers check if they exceed drift limit or not. It is a repetitive method for all structural engineers, so let's automate it and start. First, you need to open STAAD PRO and open any model and run it. Then open My Tool. As you can see, the program consists of two parts: wind calculation and seismic calculation. The first input is the limit field. The limit for the wind drift expressed in height of the building over the required value for a limit. Let's write here 240. Then you have to select wind load combinations. I find it is best practice to provide seismic and wind load cases as an Excel file as input, like the following sample. Let's select wind load cases Excel file. As we know, wind drift is checked by selecting the lowest point and the highest point in the structure. So let's select the nodes. Then all you have to do is to press calculate wind. And here is the result: the height of the building, the limit, the critical nodes, the load combination, the allowable drift and the actual drift, and the status. The second part is to calculate seismic drift. It is done in a similar way to the wind procedure, but with the exception that you have to select the inter-story drift. That means you have to check the drift between each story, and as the wind procedure we have to select the seismic load cases, and as per UBC 97 you have to select another factors. Let's select it right now. The structural system factor are in both directions, and the seismic limit varies if the structure period is over or below 0.7 seconds. So let's say it is 0.8. And let's check the seismic inter-story drift between the foundation and the first floor. And then press calculate seismic. And let's repeat the procedure for the inter-story between the first story and the second floor, and press calculate. Finally, if you want to export an Excel file for the result, press export to Excel file. As we can see, the output file is now here. Let's open it after closing the application. Thank you for watching.